You're not bad at English. You are just never heard yourself properly. That's the truth most learners don't realize. You speak in your head, you think you sound okay, but fluency doesn't improve until you step outside your mind and start observing yourself like a listener. Until you become aware of how you are speaking and what mistakes you are making, you will always doubt yourself, feel hesitant, and have a fear of speaking. Because the problem is not that you don't know English. The problem is you are not aware of your own speaking. And the only way to build that awareness is to listen to yourself. But how is that possible? By recording yourself. In today's video, I'm going to show you how your own recordings can help you become fluent in English and also how you can start recording yourself the right way. Let's understand first how it will help you. Recording makes you aware of your real speaking. When you speak, you are busy thinking, what should I say next? So you don't notice how you are speaking. But the moment you record and listen, you start hearing yourself like a listener. You realize how your pronunciation actually sounds, whether your sentences are complete or broken, whether you are speaking clearly or not. This is where awareness begins. And once you become aware, improvement becomes automatic. Second, you start catching your own mistakes. While speaking, your goal is just to continue the conversation. So your brain ignores mistakes like wrong grammar, repeating words again and again, stopping in the middle of sentences. But when you listen to your recording, you clearly hear everything. And slowly, you start correcting yourself. And that's the shift from depending on others to improving on your own. Third, your hesitation and fear start reducing. Right now, you feel hesitant because you are not sure how you sound. You are afraid of making mistakes. But when you start recording daily, at first it feels uncomfortable, but after a few days, you get used to your own voice. You accept your mistakes. You become more comfortable speaking. And slowly, your fear starts disappearing, your confidence starts building. And most importantly, you start believing in yourself that you are not as wrong as you think. Fourth, you can see your own improvement. One of the best thing about recording yourself is you can go back and listen to your old recordings and then you realize you speak better now, you make fewer mistakes, you sound more confident. This gives you proof. And when you see your progress, you feel motivated to continue. You stop doubting yourself because now you know you are improving. Fifth, you create your own speaking environment. A lot of people say, I don't have anyone to practice English with, but recording solves this problem. Your phone becomes your speaking partner. You can practice introducing yourself, talking about your day, sharing your opinions, and telling stories. This builds real speaking ability, not just theory. Now let's see how you can do this. Do this for just 5 to 10 minutes daily. First, choose a simple topic like my day, my goal, my class, my favorite movies, anything what you want to say. Choose the topic according to your level. If you don't have any topic right now and if you see yourself unable to speak something, first you can read something and you can listen to something. And then you can summarize the same content and record yourself, right? Third, listen to your recording carefully and try to write down the mistakes which you have made in the recording. Next, record yourself again and this time make sure you are not going to repeat the same mistakes which you made in the previous recording. That second recording is where real learning happens. If you really want to improve your English, don't just speak. Record it because what you can hear, you can fix. Until you hear yourself, you will always doubt yourself. But the moment you start listening, you start improving. You start believing yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And most importantly, start recording yourself from today. I'll meet you in the next session. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy the process of learning.